Yeah. Okay. This is the first chapter of our CMI Inter. Open your notebook, sir. Listen. This is very important chapter. What is the chapter name? Insurance claims. Every time they are asking 1 7 marks question from this chapter. Even in recent exam also they have asked 1 7 marks question. So very easy chapter. You can get 7 marks. But it consists of lot of concepts. Very easy. Just listen the classes. That's it. So first of all, before entering into the chapter, what is the need for this chapter? Let's discuss. Then we'll enter into the subject. For example, imagine you qualified your CMA Inter. Your articles also completed. You qualified CMA final as well. Then you will get a job. For example, you got some 10 lakhs per annum package job. So you are getting a good amount of package. Tell me what you will do with your first salary. Definitely you have to repay debts of your parents, obviously. Then you will invest surplus money somewhere else. You may purchase land, building, or else something else. Apart from it, everybody should take an insurance policy. That is very important. Why? Because if you take an insurance policy, if anything happens to you, your family members will get a bulk amount. For example, if you take me as an example, my whole family is depending on me. Imagine, example sake, on my earnings. If anything happens to me suddenly, so what is their future? So I cannot give guarantee for their future. That's why I have taken LIC. So if anything happens to me, I'm in relaxed mode. Why? Because if anything happens to me, my family will get almost 30 lakh rupees. Of course, the 30 lakh rupees may not be helpful for entire life, but up to 4 to 5 years they can survive it. Similarly, in business go down, they'll maintain crores of rupees stock. If any go down, that may be because of fire accident, or it may be what you call theft. If anything such kind of things happen, if their go down destroyed by fire accident, then they will lose crores of rupees. Now imagine, for example, if you take Reliance Smart has one go down in Vijayawada, nearby Vijayawada. So in their go down, they'll maintain almost 10 crore rupees stock every day. Imagine if suddenly due to fire accident, if every stock is destroyed, definitely that is huge loss to the company. If business entities or generally maintains large volume of stock, if any fire or damage occurs, it significantly affects the entire organization. Sometimes it may impact entire company also. For example, I'm a new startup company, so I invested 20 lakh and I borrowed from my family and banks. 50 lakh is my entire borrowings. Out of entire fund, I purchased some 20 lakh rupees of goods. Suddenly, due to fire accident, everything is destroyed. That is huge loss, not only for goods, for my entire business only. Sometimes it may lead to closure of company. That is the reason to overcome this solution. Yeah. To overcome this solution, company also they can take an insurance policy. So this insurance policy is covering the risk of goods. If go down maintains that much amount of stock, if company has taken insurance policy, owners
Hello, check.